Unraveling, Don't Overthink It, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that sounds straightforward but has layers of meaning. Don't overthink it. This is a common piece of advice that you might encounter in various situations. Our goal is to break it down for you, so you can understand not just the words, but the sentiment behind them. Whether you're learning English for school, work, or just for fun, knowing these phrases can really help you sound like a native speaker. Don't overthink it is a phrase used to advise someone not to complicate a situation by thinking about it too much. It suggests that the solution or the response to the situation is simpler than one might believe. The key components here are don't, which is a contraction of do not, indicating a suggestion or advice against doing something, and overthink, which means to think about something too much or for too long. When combined, the phrase is used to encourage someone to relax and not to worry excessively about a particular issue. This phrase can be used in both casual and formal contexts, but it's more commonly found in informal situations. Here are a few scenarios where "don't overthink it" might be appropriate. When someone is hesitant to make a decision because they're considering too many possibilities. In response to anxiety or nervousness about an upcoming event or decision. To comfort someone who is worrying too much about the potential outcomes of their actions. It's a way to encourage someone to follow their instincts or to make a decision based on the information they currently have, rather than getting paralyzed by the fear of what could go wrong. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. 1. In a work context. 2. I can't decide if this report is detailed enough. What if I missed something important? 3. You've reviewed it 3 times already. Don't overthink it. It's fine as it is. 4. Among friends. 5. I'm not sure if I should text them first. What if they're busy? 6. Just go for it. Don't overthink it. They'll be happy to hear from you. 7. While planning an event. 8. Should we have the party indoors or outdoors? What if it rains or it's too hot? 9. Let's just stick to the original plan and have it outdoors. Don't overthink it. The weather will be fine. These examples show that the phrase can be a helpful nudge towards taking action without being bogged down by doubts and what-ifs. Don't overthink it is more than just a common saying. It's a piece of advice that encourages us to trust ourselves and make decisions without overanalyzing. We hope this explanation helps you understand not only the meaning of the phrase but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Remember, sometimes the simplest approach is the best one. Thanks for watching, and don't overthink your journey with English. Keep practicing, and you'll find it becomes easier over time. See you in our next video.